Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by closing SteelSeries Sonar and the GG client so settings reset cleanly. First, quit both apps and restart the PC. This clears driver locks. Then unplug your headset and test another USB or analog port to rule out bad cabling. Finally, open Windows Sound Settings and make sure the headset is the default playback device. Sonar modifies routed audio only when the OS selects your device, so this step is essential. Once done, uninstall SteelSeries Sonar and the GG client from Settings apps. Choose Full Removal to clear residual files. Next, download the latest Sonar and headset drivers from SteelSeries and run each installer as administrator so driver services register correctly. Make sure to restart after driver installation. A reboot applies kernel-level audio changes. When you relaunch Sonar, right-click and run as admin so it can create virtual devices and capture audio without permission conflicts. You now configure Sonar. Open the app, select the correct virtual input and output devices, and enable spatial or enhancement features one at a time so you can isolate causes. Once configured, reset the Sonar profile or create a new profile and test using a simple audio file to verify voice and system sounds route correctly. If problems remain, roll back to the previous driver version or disable other audio DSPs. And if necessary,
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.